Hey everyone, Philip Sanma here. I'm gonna show you what I did for cookies. Eh, kind of look a little funny, but still good to eat. I'm gonna show you what I did, what we done, and I forgot to use a fork to push them down, so I'll show you. 24 cookies right there, peanut butter balls, and I didn't have all the ingredients, so I used some vanilla extract, some flour, and peanut butter. And the next batch I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using sugar. So there, it's with the sugar, it's for me and my family. Without the sugar, it's for our dog Honey. You don't need sugar rots human teeth as well as dog's teeth, so why not make a batch of sugarless cookies, of peanut butter cookies, without the sugar? So the good thing is you can make peanut butter cookies for your dog without adding sugar to it. So that's what I did today, and I'm gonna quickly show you a batch that we cooked up last night. I'm gonna flip these around. Yeah, that's what we done last night. So give me if you like what you see, push like, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Who knows? The adventure's just beginning. Philip Sandman, Northern Redneck Cooking, signing out, and have fun.